Yes, I went ahead and created a demo. The demo I'm going to show is a kind of a CBO or an NGO website I can design for organization. So this one is I created depending on your organization Nyota ya Asubuhi, a CBO. And this one I've just highlighted some of the things. I've used demo content to show some of the things like the things you told me about, how they what you operate on, the things the most things that the most important section that you are focusing on as a CBO. So I decided I created two home pages. I'll show you all of them. Then, of course, those features can be interchanged in a way that some of them can be borrowed from one another to another, or yeah, it can be changed. So we'll start with this one. This one I decided to create as a home page. As you can see, it has got the section above here which highlights some of the pages that your website can have, including the home page, about page, programs page, projects page, yeah, and even donate now, a button. So like here, 1,200 students supported, active projects, and these are some of the things you can include there. You have here about our stories, where you can include how it was started and everything, or what it's doing. Yeah, then the programs and projects, here we can include some of the projects or some of the product programs. Then we can have here some donation where we are showing people how the donation helps and what it does, yeah, so that the people can donate. We also have here moments that matter, where the things are going to highlight some of the things that you have done. And also if you have a video of the activity you have been doing or how you have been going to the community, you can create a good professional video. We can combine some videos from different events, then we form one video, professional video, then we include in our website so someone can come and see some success stories. Yeah, then we have got here is where people can leave some reviews. Yeah, reviews that you can include some reviews to show how the CBO has been operating or what people are saying about the CBO. Then you have got stories and updates. So here it includes like blogs and some success stories. For example, if you hosted an event, then the event was successful, of course, you can decide that you write a good blog and you post it on the website. Then we have got here partners and sponsors. You can those partners and supporters, we can include their logo here. You can highlight those logos. I've just highlighted 4, but you can add more. Yeah. Then we have the footer section. So the footer section, as you can see, has got those all important things like the logo or the logo. If we have the logo, then some of the things like the social icon when someone can click and follow you on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so forth. Then you have some pages here, important pages. Yeah, then you have some important also pages here where people can go, corporate giving, sponsor and child. Yeah, then you have got here the address. You can include, like here I've just included Cliffy Town, yeah, Cliffy County, Kenya. Then demo contact. Then yeah, demo email. Of course, this one will be an email. For example, you can say that Nyota Asubuhi dot organization, which will have also an info so people can contribute. Then if it's the pay bill number where people can contribute some amount or they can do that, we can. I have also included that. So this is one of the home pages, but I said we have two. So we have another one here. Yeah, so this one also has got just almost the same features. It's only that I've just changed. For example, this one was only an image, but this one I've added some details. Then also here there's the same programs with cards. Yeah, here just to change a bit, in a way that that section, about section, is a bit has got 4 images instead of 1. The other one had 1. Yeah, as you can see, this other one has got 1 image, while this one has got 4 images. Then this section they don't have cards, while the other one now here, this one have got what? Cards. Yeah, so that's the difference. And also here, the programs are there to add images. The other one doesn't have images, as you can see, it doesn't have images. They're just icons, but here it has got images. Yeah, then of course, I've highlighted those things here. Yeah, this one was a process kind of. This one is just highlighted here, and then the pay bill. Yeah, we also have some success stories where people we can include some success stories. We have reviews. Then we have blog posts. Yeah, then we have got the logos like the UNICEF, Save Children, Women Vision, Red Cross, among the partners. Yeah, those are among the things I said to include on the other page. I included the footer because we already have a footer here, so I decided not to design a footer. We already have a footer here. Then we also have the about page. So this about page includes all the other things that we can include, like our story, when it was started, and everything. More details that a person may want to learn more about our CBO or our NGO. Yeah. Then we have a foundation where we include the mission, the vision, and the core values. Yeah. Then we have also how we work, identifying needs, then mobilizing support, then empowering lives. Then we have our team. If you have a team, you can include like the CEO, the founder, the CTO, yeah, and even project manager, yeah, sales representative, not sales, sorry, it is maybe donation representative, and everyone who includes in our team, the people you are working with, or the lead in charge of volunteering, yeah. So you can include them as a team. Then you have our impact, where we also still highlighting those things that we have just been writing about. The 12,000 children supported. We have partners. We have yeah, programs. Yeah, active workers or volunteers. Yes. Then also, of course, you can have some voices of the reviews that I'm talking about. You can also have some reviews on the about page, but this is not mandatory. These are just not that all these sections must be there. I'm just highlighting some of the sections that usually appear on the about page that are very important for our website. Yeah, so that this website can tell the story that you have. Yeah, then of course here we can also include some call to action where people can donate, go to the donation page, or they can volunteer. Then we have got the contact page. People can get to you. Yeah, just to zoom in so that we can see some, like we have the location, Kilifi County. We have the email that will include the professional email when we set up hosting. We have got the phone number. The phone number, of course, it will include that one. We also have the PO box or the address, postal address. Yeah, then you have a contact form where someone can come and answer here, like, oh, I answers the name, the email address, subjects, and details or something, then he sends. This one I usually connected to your Gmail, so that someone is texted or he writes a form on your website, it goes direct to your email, then you can reply to him. Yeah, when you reply, it goes to his email that he will have inputted here when he was filling the form. So you reply direct. Then here we'll embed a Google map, where that if someone wants to see your location, where you are located, he can always go to Google Maps, then he can always locate you. So this one will include a Google map. There's among the things that we usually include. Yeah, then also you have got some of the things here that people can do, call to actions. They go to the volunteer page, then they can donate or they can partner with us. Yeah. So those are among the things that we did. So apart from that, also you have another page like the programs. Here we highlight some of the programs that we have in the CBO. So these programs include things that you can see here. Like these are the programs that you can go and find, like care, education. These are just some cards. Then you can highlight those programs, like education support program, yeah, health and nutrition program, yeah, child protection and rights program, yeah, women and youth empowerment program. Like these among the programs that you are running in your organization. You can highlight those programs of this page, the programs page. Yeah, then of course our impact is very important. The impact is very important because people want to see also the impact. Is it impacting? Has it been impacting people? Yeah, what is it doing? Yeah, so the impact is very important. Then success stories, where people can highlight some of their success stories. Yeah. Where through Nyota Asubuhi, I have received school supplies and mentorship. Now I'm a high school and mentoring others. Now I'm in high school and mentoring others. You see, this is a success story. So people can write some success story about you, and we can include them in the website. Then you can also be part of the change, of course. A call to actions. These call to actions are very, very important. They are lead magnets, and the people who can. They are the things that can help us. Our website people can stay on the website long, and they can also help support different things that are happening on the website. Then we have get involved. So here is where people can now support through either donations. Yeah, for example, they can donate, they can volunteer, or they can partner. Yeah, success products or impacts, very important. Then also people can leave some review. And also we have here, we have included two sections. The first section will be people who want to donate. They include their names, the M-Pesa, select maybe the M-Pesa, is it card, is it PayPal, then they can donate. Then we have also volunteer form where people can fill in their volunteer details if you want to join the volunteer team. Yeah. So those are among the things that we have included. All these, including this is a page, a projects gallery, where we can include some projects that are currently running. And yeah, if the project is completed, you see that this one is completed. Empower her project is completed. This one is ongoing. This one is ongoing. So you also highlight if it's ongoing or it's completed. Okay, these are the gallery. You can highlight some of the images of the things you have been doing. For example, all the images, the education, yeah, about health, community, volunteering. So those images you'll take during the event. You have a place dedicated just for you to post those images. You go and add those images there. As you add on other social media platforms, you also come and add on the gallery on your website. Yeah, those images. At least every event you can at least upload 1 or 2 images. Yeah. Then, yeah, of course, those are among the things that we also did. And also we have blogs. Blogs are very important, though they are not a must. So the blog posts usually they are among the premium plan. So, but it's very important blogs because blogs help you to rank also higher on Google and also AI can also recognize you fast and everything, because people read a lot of blogs, and the blogs are the things that make these people to visit your website. Yeah, because they want to read the stories. So when they come read the stories, they also decide to volunteer and support the other ongoing projects. So you can highlight the ongoing projects here so that people can also still support those projects. And again, you also include down the blog post. So all the posts that you have been writing about everything, like youth support tournament, all the activities that usually happen. So here I've entered 8 blogs, but you can have more. You can have blogs, of course. You can see here, read more, where people can learn more about it. Then you have got a success story here. Yeah. Then we have got a contact form where people can contact. Yeah. So those are among the things that are here. So I also wanted to show you how it looks on laptop or on a desktop, and this is an example of how it looks on a laptop. Yeah, as you can see, this is the home page. Yeah, this is how it look like all the way, all those pages. And when you go to the about page is also, this is how it look like. Yeah, you see, it's well featured on all on our devices. Then this is the programs. Yeah, you can find all those programs. They're just the pages I've just been saying and showing you. Yeah, this is how it looks like on that one. Then get involved. Yeah, also these are some of among the sections where people can go and volunteer or they can give their donations. Yeah, then we have a contact page where people can come and contact. Yeah, here's where people can come and contact you. Yeah, on your website. Then we have go back here. Yeah, then we have also projects. So here is where people can see current running projects, and also they can see, yeah, some success stories and images of your website. Yeah, so that's how our website looks like, and a CBO website for the Nyota Asubuhi CBO in here in Kilifi. Yeah, if you like the project, yeah, we can start working on it. Development takes about 2 weeks. I'll be done. Yeah, if you are ready, yeah, we can talk about what to do next. Yeah, thank you so much.